AI tools are leveling up every single day, and the ones I'm about to show you are so crazy, they'll make you feel like you're living in the future. Here are 7 AI websites you probably didn't know existed. First up, Tome. This AI website creates full-on presentations and pitch decks in minutes. Just type your topic, and Tome instantly designs slides with text, images, and layouts. It's like PowerPoint on steroids. Next is Sounddraw.io. If you need music for videos, podcasts, or streams, this AI composer generates original tracks for you. You can customize the genre, mood, and length, and it creates royalty-free music instantly. Third is Cleanup.pictures. This one's magic. Upload any photo, highlight the objects you don't want, and the AI removes them flawlessly. It's like Photoshop, but way faster and free to use. Number 4 is Jasper.ai. This AI writing assistant is built for businesses and marketers. It writes blog posts, ad copy, emails, and even YouTube scripts that sound human. Huge time saver for content creators. Number 5 is FutureTools.io. Think of this as the Google of AI. It's a massive directory of every AI tool you can imagine. Design, business, video, voice, you name it. If there's an AI for it, you'll find it here. Sixth is ReimagineHome.ai. Ever wanted to redecorate your room without actually buying furniture? Just upload a photo of your space, and the AI redesigns it in different styles. Modern, minimalist, cozy, anything you want. And finally is Syllabi.io. This AI tool helps you create viral short-form content ideas for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It generates scripts, captions, and hooks that are designed to grab attention fast. These AI websites aren't just cool, they're tools that can actually make your life easier and even help you make money. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI discoveries.